Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing great, wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. Thank you so much for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel, for giving beautiful comments and beautiful response to all. This is your general reading for the month of June. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. I hope it resonates with you, but if it is not resonating with you, you can skip it out, Aquarius. Take whatever is resonating according to your situation. Okay, I don't read reversals and gender is not specific here. So let's start your reading and let's see what are the messages for you in the month of June. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Help me out to deliver the important message which I need to deliver for Aquarius. There is karma and there is wish. Some kind of wish fulfillment is going to come true for you, Aquarius, in the month of June. And there is a good karma which you are going to get back here. And that is your destiny here. Maybe you are hoping for that. That is written in your destiny. That is the reward for your good karma. So you are going to get that. So let's see. What are the messages? Second message which I was getting for you in the meditation, that you have to keep your courage. You have to keep your courage. Keep your courage. Trust. Trust in the divine plan. And keep your courage here. See, again the courage card is here. Trust everything is happening according to the divine plan. Okay. So that's the message which I was getting, and maybe you are seeing the number synchronicities of 777. That's what I was getting for you. So let's see what are the messages for Aquarius. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Beautiful. See, I told you destiny. It come again. There is something which is written in your destiny. Okay, so that is going to come true here. And this can be related to your money, and this can be related to your love here, which is written in your destiny. Here I'm having money and yin and yang. So many of you are dealing with your twin flame, yin yang. So you are going to get reunited with them. They are written in your destiny here. So something which is written in your destiny is going to come true in the month of June here. And the money abundance prosperity is going to come true. Maybe you're going to get money offers here. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting here for you. The first card for you is paradise. Trust that everything is happening according to the divine. Bottom of the deck, I'm having hope. Keep your hope. Okay, don't lose your hope. Maybe some of you are having blocked heart chakra. Okay, while starting this reading, I was having a pain in my heart chakra. So maybe there is a blockage in your heart chakra. You need to heal that. If you're feeling heaviness, a pain in the heart chakra here. Okay. And the paradise card says that this card indicates you are searching for the ultimate happiness in your life and have many unfulfilled desires. You may be currently be unhappy about what's happening in the world or your own personal life and looking for inner peace and tranquility. The answers to your questions about the meaning in life, death, and what really makes you happy will be answered. But be patient. Okay? You will have a lot more faith in the future. You will find greater spirituality and have greater satisfaction within your life. Okay, so right now you have to keep patience, trust that there is a divine plan, keep your hope. Okay, there is something, maybe right now you don't find your inner peace, you don't find what you are seeking, but you will get what is written in your destiny. Trust that. Okay, trust that divine has a best plan for you. So there are beautiful things which are coming for you in terms of money, in terms of love. That's what I'm having here for you, and that's beautiful messages. Okay, let's see more messages from the Starseed Oracle. Thank you for giving the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? What is the message for Aquarius for the month of June. Please give me the messages which I need to deliver. Let me get one more message for you. Give me one more message. Beautiful. Okay, so bottom of the deck I am having I remember, soul plan, the fated life versus the destiny life. See, again the same message is here. There is something which is written in your destiny. There is a soul plan which is already being destined by the divine. You already have a soul plan. You need to keep the trust here. Surrender yourself, okay? Surrender yourself. Fall into arms. Surrender, holding the opposite extremes of life. Maybe you're going through lot of ups and downs in life, the extremes of life, but don't worry, everything is working according to the soul plan, according to your soul plan, okay? And maybe you are right now questioning everything, but you need to know one thing, that anything which is aligned, they must go. Anything which don't serve your highest good, you must go. Can you see how colorful this is? You just need to open the curtain and see the light, okay? Lifting the veil, questioning everything. Anything aligned must go. So anything which is not aligned with your frequencies or with your soul purpose, with your soul plan, you have to let them go, okay? Anything. Then there is Earth School, life lesson, soul growth, study, higher learning. So as you know that many of you Aquarius are the star seeds, are the light workers. You are here on this planet Earth to learn life lessons, to grow on a soul level, for the soul's growth. This Earth is a Earth School. 0707 is the recording reading time. Yes, I was telling you that maybe a lot of you can see the number synchronicities of 777, 707, 717. Can be an important number for you, okay? So you are here for higher learning, to learn the beautiful lessons which will help you grow on a soul level, okay? So this is an, you being on the earth is, see, I'm blank, sorry for that. Okay, so you are on here on the earth because this is a school for you. Earth is a school for you, okay? You are here to learn the lessons for your soul growth, the life lessons you are learning that will help you out in your higher learning. Maybe right now you did not remember the soul plan, but that is written here, okay? So you have to say that I remembered. That is your soul plan, the fated life versus the destiny life. And there is the 7 star sisters, birthing creations, tapestry of life, expressions. That's beautiful. So these are the messages. Thank you for giving the messages. You have to keep patience and trust and keep your courage with you, Aquarius, okay? Maybe you're losing your patience, your strength, but don't lose that, because everything is working according to your soul plan, okay? Let's see more messages from Work Your Light. What are the messages? Please give me the messages. And there is Star and Sisters, hidden secret, lost wisdom, look at a deeper level, okay? I told you many of you are the star seeds, are the light workers. You already have lot of wisdom, lot of knowledge inside of you. Maybe you have lost that wisdom because when you take a birth on planet Earth, you forget everything, but that is stored in your soul. So you have hidden secrets inside your soul. You have lot of wisdom. You just need to look at a deeper level here, okay? So let's see more messages for Aquarius. This was coming in meditation also. There is something where you have to say no, wait, postpone, pause, say no. So there is something particular which you know. See, again, there is something which is not aligned with your life, okay? What is not aligned or needs to change? There is something which is not aligned here. Anything which is not aligned here must go, Okay, so there is something in your life which is not aligned with your frequencies, with your soul plan. You need to say no for that. Okay, there is something here which is not aligned. You know better your situation, but there is something which is not aligned with your life. Okay, then there is, and for that you have to say no. Right now you have to wait, postpone, take a pause, do your healing, complete your healing, and look into the portal of your soul. Okay, what your soul wants, what is the calling which is happening here, what are the hidden secrets, what are the lost wisdom which you are having, which you are carrying in your soul here. There is keepers of the earth. You are not alone. Ancient ancestors stand beside you. As I told you, you are here to give the birth of a new age, a age of light. Okay, so you are here as a earth angels. Okay, you are the keepers of the earth here, so you are not alone. Okay, you have the blessings of your ancestors, the divine, the angels, everyone is standing with you here. So don't feel alone here, Aquarius. If you are feeling alone, don't feel alone at all. See, I just told this, you are here on this planet earth to create a new age of light, and that's what they are trying to tell you. You have been training for this for many lifetimes. Okay, you are the keepers of earth. You are here for building, for creating a new age of light. That's what I was telling you. Exactly. Thank you for giving the messages. And you are getting the training for this for many past lives. Okay, so you already know everything. Maybe right now you did not remember because you have lost that wisdom and knowledge, but these are available in your soul. So you have to tune into the portal of your soul. Okay, that's your soul purpose, that's your soul plan, that you have to help the divine, the universe, to create the new age of light, the golden age of light. 1221 is the recording reading time. Okay, then there is the initiation, rite of passage, crossing the threshold. So you are at a crossroads here on your life where you are just crossing the bridge and you are coming towards the light. Basically, maybe they are the things which are, maybe you're thinking that there is a lot of dark, there is no light, there is only the dark here, but that's not true. You just crossing the bridge, and you're crossing the bridge and you're coming towards the light here. Okay, this is the passage. You just crossing that passage, the bridge, the way, the threshold. You crossing the threshold here. Then there is Anna, the grandmother of Jesus, seeding the light, laying foundation, divine plan. See, there is a divine plan. Everything is happening according to the divine plan. Okay, Anna, the grandmother of Jesus, she wants to tell you that everything is happening according to the divine plan, according to your soul plan. So just surrender yourself and trust and have patience and keep your courage, that everything is happening according to the divine plan. You have beautiful things to do in this life journey here, Aquarius. Bottom of the deck, I'm having Mintakan, longing for home, belonging, the original light workers. Many of you are thinking that you don't belong from here on this planet earth, and you're longing for home. You're thinking that I want to go home, because you are the original light workers. Many of you are the light workers as well as the star seeds. So that are the messages for you. Thank you for giving the messages. Wow, let me see. Today, yesterday what happened was, from the yesterday I was getting the downloads of the messages in my crown chakra, I can say. And see, today I was doing, when I was doing the meditation also, I was getting many beautiful messages for you. I was getting the downloads, actually the downloads. Right now also my ear is getting warm again, the right ear. Lot of messages are coming here for you, Aquarius. There are beautiful things which is coming for you. See, again, keep your courage. 1441, keep your courage with you, Aquarius. Okay, don't lose hope, keep your courage. Why? Maybe you're becoming more freedom is coming for you. There is a transformation. Wow, There is a transformation which is taking place. Okay, you are crossing the passage, you are becoming a beautiful butterfly. You are so you are going through with beautiful transformation. You're becoming more freedom. You're getting your freedom back. You're becoming a butterfly here. Can you see how colorful, beautiful butterfly it is? The blue, the yellow one. So you're becoming the best version of yourself. This is the time to claim your power here. The power card is here because you are getting in your own power on your highest self. There is a change which is coming for you, Aquarius. And that's right, there is a change which is coming for you. Let me read it out for you, the power card. This is your time. This is the time to claim your power and step into your potential. This does not necessarily mean that you will be without fear. You might be uncertain, but do it anyway. Be courageous. Let the world hear your voice. Take a stand. Stand up for yourself and for others. Share your passion. Teach from your heart. Write, and your words will have great meaning. Hold your body as you are incredibly valuable, noble, and brave. After all, you are powerful. So right now, the main message which I am getting for you, Aquarius, is that you have to keep your courage. Okay, don't lose hope. Keep your courage. You are going through from a beautiful transformation. The ascension is going on here. Okay, the change is coming for you here. There is something which is not aligned with your life. You have to let go that. Okay, you are the keepers of the earth, and you have been getting the training for this for many past lives here. So claim your power. Get into your highest self. You're becoming the empress mode in your tarot card. Also, when I will do your love reading, I will tell you that right now, many Aquarius, you are gaining the energy of empress. Okay, you're becoming your highest version here. Let's see what is the message from the unicorns. Thank you for giving the messages. Give me one message. Prosperity is flowing towards you, so be open to receive it. Lot of prosperity, money, abundance is coming for you. Maybe you will get a new opportunities if you're looking for jobs. So maybe you will get new job if you're working as in business proposals. So you will get the business proposals too, but money opportunities are coming for you in the month of June. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me get some space here. But beautiful change is coming for you here, Aquarius. Get ready, okay, for the month of June. And that's beautiful. I can say that. You need to keep trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan, okay? Keep your trust, courage, and the patience too. So that's what I'm having here. Let me see more messages from the scared travelers. What is the message for Aquarius? You are beginning a new cycle here. Can you see? There is a change which is coming for you. So let me see what is the message. A fresh new ways of living energies here. Transformation again. Transformation is taking place for you, Aquarius. Definitely there is a fresh new ways of living energies. There is a transformation. You are going through a transformation here. So beautiful. That's beautiful. Let me see what is the message for Aquarius for the month of June. Please give me the message. Wow, I love the messages when the divine, the universe, the angels, they directly communicate with me, and I love it. Okay, any other message for Aquarius? Wow. See, grounding, go deep, explore your roots. So there, see again, trust there is a divine plan. Desert passage, you're going through, you're crossing a bridge here, Aquarius. There is a divine plan. You need to keep a trust here. You just crossing that bridge, okay? So that's what I'm having here from this deck. There is breaking trail. A breakthrough is at hand. So you're going to get your breakthrough here. Whatever you are finding the breakthrough, you will get that. There is infinite abundance. Abundance is pouring in your life. here. Lot of prosperity, abundance is here, which is coming for you. There is belief in magic, journey by the moonlight. So you need to keep the belief in magic. Okay, once you believe that everything is in, then only the magic will happen. So you need to keep your belief in magic. There is joy and delight. Open your heart to joy, and there is view from above. Get the big picture. See the picture from a higher perspective, that whatever is happening in your life, why it is happening. Okay, see the picture from a higher perspective. You will get the answers, because the answers are within yourself. Okay, this is the hermit mode, taking shelters. The answers are within yourself, so you will get the answers. You just need to open your heart and see the answers, because answers are there within yourself. There is wise leader. You are the beacon for others. You are here to lead as many as pupil, the soul in this world. Okay, Aquarius, so you are the beacon of light. Spread your light. Okay, spread your light, because you are getting the training for this from many past lives here. Okay, so you are the light. Spread your light. There is grace and gratitude. So through gratitude, joy expand. Always have an attitude of it. Gratitude. Always say thank you, universe, thank you, divine, for giving the beautiful things in your life. Okay, whatever you are having right now in your life. Then there is mystic healer. Healing energies flow through you. Many of you Aquarius, you are the mystic healers. Okay, you have the healing powers inside of you. So healing energy flows through you. You can heal anyone, even you can heal yourself, and even you can heal many of you. Use your intuitions. There is an owl here. So right now you are very intuitive. You are having healing energies inside of you. Then there is protected by angels. You are cherished by the angels. See, this was the message which I was getting for you, and I love this. Okay, you are not alone. You are protected here. Okay, from the divine. See, the same message was here. Okay, you are not alone. Ancient ancestors are with you. They are standing with you, and you are cherished by the angels. Okay, angels are with you. They are protecting you. They are cherishing you. You are getting protection by the angels, from your ancestors. Okay, from the divine, from the universe. So you are not alone here at all. So this was the message which I was getting here for you Aquarius. Let me get one message from the archangel. What is the message for Aquarius? What is the message for Aquarius? One message. Archangel Raziel, seek and you will find. Be the wise one. See, whatever answers you are looking, you will get the answers, because the answers are lying within yourself. So you have to seek and find out what answers are there here. Okay, be the wise one. Sorry. So that's what I'm getting here from the archangel. Thank you, archangel, for giving the message. Let me add one message here from the colors. Nurture yourself. Orange. Use orange color here. You can use orange color to nurture yourself. Okay, so nurture yourself here Aquarius. That's what I'm having here. Let me read it. Let me get one message from the fortune cookies. What is the message for Aquarius? Major life change. Major life change. See, I told you change is definitely going to come here for you. Maybe you can see number synchronicities of 555, 505, 550, 0505. That can be a possibility here. Beautiful change is going to come in your life here Aquarius in the month of June. Time is right for major life changes, as a new lifestyle or location brings great joy and trouble-free existence. Major life changes here. So maybe you are changing your location, maybe your job or your relationships, whatever it is changing, but there is a major life change which is happening in your life. Okay, so that's beautiful here. Thank you for giving the message. Let me add one message from daily healing. Know that truth is a living force whether you believe it or not. Okay, so that's what I'm having here for you from the daily healing. Let me get one message from the divine doors. What is the message for Aquarius? A moment joy. Sand through the hourglass, yet time could stand still. A moment lasts forever in the bliss of heart's will. So live in the moment here. Live in your present moment. That will always carry in your soul. That's what I'm having here from the divine doors. Let me get one message from the sweet dreams. Surrender. I surrender the old limiting beliefs. I awaken and am reborn into limitless possibilities. You need to surrender yourself, okay, into the divine and trust that everything is happening according to the divine plan, okay? Surrender your old limiting belief system and everything which is holding you back. So you need to surrender that. Then there is a message from the star seed. Let me see what is the message for Aquarius. Okay, see, bottom of the deck I'm having abundance. Lot of abundance is coming for you. That's right, abundance and prosperity is here for you in the month of June. When your heart intention is to serve humanity, doors of abundance naturally open for you. That's right, okay? When you have an intention to serve the humanity, the doors of abundance will open for you, and that's beautiful message here. So I'm getting the 3 message. Again, the freedom message is here, same. Follow your heart and nurture your soul with the love and freedom to grow. So there is a freedom which is coming for you here. Then there is wisdom. See your adversaries as opportunities to expand your spiritual light. Then there is magnificence. You are amazing, magnificent and unique, but most importantly, you are enough. And that's right, you are enough, Aquarius. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me get one message from the Scared Creator Oracles. But bottom of the deck I'm having welcoming the divine masculine here. Many of you are going to get reunited here with your twin flame, with your yin yang. Okay, they are going to get back in your life. 1221 is the recording reading time again. Okay, as I paused the video, so again I started it, and the recording reading time was 1221. So many of you are going to get reunited with your divine counterpart. So welcome your divine masculine here. What is the message here? You are the light. That's beautiful message here. You are the light, Aquarius, okay? And bottom of the deck I'm having, what do you really want? Okay, ask your soul, what do you really want? You are the light. That's beautiful message. Thank you for giving the messages. Let me get one message from the tea leaf, and then I'm going to close out this reading. May. So maybe there is a significant thing which happened in May. 1313 was the recording reading time. Okay, so this also wants to come out. Okay, there is forest, muddled, unclear thinking. Maybe you're going through with unclear thinking. There are things which is not clear right now, but don't worry at all. Why I'm saying that? There is a change for the better, butterfly again. There are 3 decks which is telling me that you are going through a transformation period. Okay, the ascension, the transformation is happening here. You're becoming the butterfly. There is a change which is happening for a better, the change for a better here. Then there is bowl, plenty of material things are coming for you. See again, the abundance, the prosperity is coming for you. There is love which is coming for you. Okay, so there is a lot of love which is here for you, Aquarius, in the month of June here. There is a chain of events that will affect your life, okay, but that will affect in your life in a positive way, because here I'm having a change for a better, for the better one. Okay, the change, a chain of events, whatever is happening here, that will affect you in a positive way. Okay, whatever change is happening, that is happening for a betterment. Okay, then there is torch, spiritual development, enlightenment, awareness and understanding. That's beautiful. Okay, that's beautiful message here. So that's what I'm having here for you, Aquarius, in the month of June. And that was a beautiful reading. I hope I help you out. Wow, this wants to come out. Okay, I'm going to take this because they want me to take it. Okay, there is yoke, and it says feeling tied down or frustrated. Maybe you're feeling down or tied down, or you may be feeling frustrated, but don't worry, there are changes in your life. See, again, the moon card is here, changes in your life. Okay, there is a change which is coming here, and there is Lily. This is a spiritual love. So this is definitely your twin flame, your yin yang, the divine counterpart. Okay, whether it's a divine masculine or the divine feminine, but this is your spiritual love. Okay, they are going to come in here in for Aquarius for the month of June. So that's what I'm having here for Aquarius. I hope it resonates with you. Sending you lots of love, healing, light and happiness to all my Aquarius, whoever is watching this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comments section if you want to tell me anything. Take care of yourself and see you soon.